back to my channel. My name is Swati Chaturvedi, and in this video I'm gonna share with you all a list of universities that are not only good but are also affordable. Just a heads up, I'm no expert. I'm just providing you information based on my personal experience, because when I started applying to the universities, I used to research a lot, and based on that research I'm sharing with you all the universities name. You can always check the universities from your side. This is just my experience and I'm sharing with you all. It's your choice to go with this university or choose other universities. That's up to you. I'm just sharing with you. Got quite a few requests in my email asking for suggestions for affordable university. I did some research on it and I finally decided to make one. So stay tuned and keep watching the whole video to know more. Studying abroad is hard, but it is expensive too. So a lot of students who aspire to study abroad, because of the cost or something, they don't tend to move forward. Based on my research, I'm going to help you figure out the universities that are affordable and as well as provide good education. So while deciding the university to study, one doesn't really tend to focus only on the money part of it, like how affordable it is, but along with the affordability, you need to take care of the three major factors. The most important factor is accreditation. It is very important for a university to be well accredited. The second major factor that gets involved while choosing a university is what kind of school is that, like what type of school you are choosing. Does it incline with your interest and abilities? Because if it doesn't make sense to go to that university if it doesn't contribute to your career development. So it is very important to decide a university that inclines with your interest and would contribute to your career development, because you're choosing to study abroad or studying like for further education to add on to your career. So make sure it inclines with your interest and abilities. So the third major factor that I considered for myself is what kind of transportation that city has, because like you just don't go to the university and buy a car for yourself on the first day of college unless you are Ambani's child. But if you are a normal child like me, so you would be using like public transport. So you have to make sure that the public transport of that neighborhood is pretty good so that you can get to the university in time. For that, you can also look for the accommodation nearby the university if there is any. So all these factors you need to take care along with the affordability in order to choose a university. Now let's move forward to the list of universities that are quite affordable and provide good education. So the first university that I'm going to talk about is none other than California State University, Fresno. So this is the university that I studied from. I completed my master's from CSU Fresno. So I actually have a soft corner for this university. That's why I'm speaking about it first. It is well accredited and there's so many working opportunities that you get while studying in the university. So you might end up getting a part-time job while working. So overall, I would say it's a good place to go if you're looking for like affordable education along with affordable accommodation, because the Fresno's place itself is quite cheap than the rest of the Bay Area, as I mentioned before. So it's a good university which provides quality education. So you can be rest assured, because I studied from there and I've experienced the whole process. So for this university, I can like guarantee you that you're going to the right place. The CSU Fresno campus itself is pretty big. They are like Bulldog stadiums where like games and like some shows keep happening every weekend, so you can have like a lot of fun along with education. I would say it's a good place to go. That I'm talking about is California State University, Long Beach. It is again one of the CSU campuses. It's quite affordable and it is well accredited. And the best part about this university is the view. It is located near the beach, as the name suggests, CSU Long Beach. So it is located near the Long Beach. So the ambience of the whole university is pretty good. So CSU Long Beach was one of the university I also applied to, but I didn't choose Long Beach because of some reason that I didn't get the course of my choice later on. So I chose Fresno over Long Beach, but otherwise the university is pretty good. It's well accredited, it's at the very good place, and it's a good one. Other affordable university is the City University of New York. As the name suggests, it is situated in New York, of course, and it is quite affordable. It is a public university and it is well accredited. So the public transportation around this university is pretty good. In general, the public transportation in New York is far better than California. So the public transportation around the university must be pretty good. So the next university that I'm gonna talk about is California State University, Los Angeles. This is one of the largest public universities in the state, and it is quite affordable again because it lies in the CSU campuses. In 23 CSU campuses, CSU LA is one of them, and it is quite affordable. The education system is pretty good, and I have like quite a few friends who studied from there and ended up getting a good job, not because of the university, but they were talented as well. So but overall it's a good university, and as it is located in LA, so the surrounding is pretty good and lively, so you can like check this university out as well when you are considering affordability as a factor. And also there are like so many people apply to this university, so I would say that if you are planning to apply to CSU LA, apply well in advance because they receive so many applications, so sometimes acceptance rate is low. So if you apply like well in advance, so you must be like, you will end up getting an admission. The other university that I'm talking about is Minot State University, which is located in North Dakota. So this is a university situated in a small town, but the campus of the university is pretty large. So if you're someone who enjoys staying in small town and you want to know by everybody, including the faculty staff, by your name, because the population is comparatively like low, so this is a university for you. It offers programs in like diverse fields from information systems, science, accounting, finance, and so on. So you can check that university as well. So when I was researching about this university, the international student admission rate for like international student population in this university was like 12%, which is pretty good. So feel free to check out this university if you are interested. Guys, that's all for this video. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye.